this basement of Siamese cat. In this basement live 5 cats. Her sister, mother, and 2 kittens. They ate from yesterday almost all meal. Okay, now I will put some meals for them for today. I put some meals. This strange Aces cat. She is mother of Siamese cat and grandmother of these kittens. Siamese cat, mother of gray kitten and turtle kitten, turtle color kitten. Yes. And there is Leo tiger cat. Okay. They are little gods. Nice little gods. See you later, my little angels. This is flat of Annabella cats. They are living in this flat or basement. Now they walking anywhere. Okay, now I will feed them. I put some meals for Annabella's cats family. In this basement was living 4 cats, 4 black cats, but now live only 2 cats, 2 brothers, I think about. Okay, they will come later and they will be have to eat some meals. Oh, he is Annabella cat. He is brother of my Annabella cat that live in my flat. His brother is walking anywhere now. Okay, see you later, guy. Little angel, see you later. Little baby. Здесь интерёнок где-то. Вот какой-то котишка пришел. Худенький. Привет. Сейчас покушаешь. Вот она, Грация вышла. Сейчас я тебя покормлю. Сейчас вас покормлю. Подожди. Малыш клопыш маленький. Да? Где там интерёнок? Да. Сейчас. О, Грация пришел. Вот они лопают, кушают. Водичку я там ледышку вытащил. Так что водичку они теперь могут попить. Все. Ну и вон этот малыш клопыш, новый котишка худющий пришел. Пусть отъедается, да? Ну все, у них есть что покушать. Все, давайте, ребята, счастливо. Берегите себя. Пусть добрые боги вас хранят. Let's good guys take care of you. Be happy babies. Yes, see you later. This is little basement flat of Teги cat. Okay, she and her friends ate all I put yesterday. Okay, now I put some meals. He is great bandit. Now he wants to find the girl and he hungry. Okay, be careful and be happy. I put some meals, change this water, then I will go. This is basement flat of Pixel cat and his girlfriend Marusha kitten pushy cat. Okay, now I'll feed you. Yes. Oh, Pixie is hungry. Good guy. Good baby. Okay, see you later. Take care of you. Okay, see you later, little angel. Афина Pussycat is living here. Okay. At present time she is living anywhere. This is orange cat pad, and she is hi. She is white taily cat. Okay. And black cat. Just a moment. Oh. In this place live a lot of cats. Now we will feed both of them. So now I put some meals and change the water. When cats will come, they can feed. Okay, now today they are walking anywhere because of weather, maybe the time. Okay, I will feed another cats. I'll go to feed another cats. White telly kitten. White telly pussycat is eating now. Okay. See you later, baby. Little uncle. Orange Bro and Vasily Matroskin is living here. Vasily Matroskin. Oh, hi. And Orange Bro. They are my brothers. Okay. Now I'll feed you. My brothers. Just a minute. Vasily Matroskin and Orange Bro. Oh, they're eating with pleasure. Okay. Okay, see you later, little angels. See you later, my brothers. This is basement flat of Agat, gray cat and smoky kitten. Okay, oh, Agat. Oh, my little brother, Agat. I love you, baby. Now I'll feed you. Smoky come out to eat. Agat and gray in basement now. Okay, see you later, little uncles. I love you, babies. These kittens, this black kitten, and she is the mother of my cat Bubblegum. Okay, they want to eat. Just I feed you. Oh, they're eating now, little angels. Okay, see you later. That Siamese cat was adopted, and they cat. He is my little friend. I want to find the family for him, but I cannot find in this country. If anybody wants to adopt him, I may send him for you. My little friend, my baby, my son. Okay? Okay. He's very beautiful. Okay, please sign to my channel. We rescue and help animals, especially cats. But we love all animals. Okay. Okay, see you later, little angels. This guy live in this flat. This stairway for him. Oh. My little brother, my son. Oh. You are beautiful. Okay, eat.